Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp voice messages in iPhone gallery. So simply open your WhatsApp. This method will work any iPhone. So like you just select a voice message. So as you can see, this is my voice message.
Hello.
Okay. Just long press. As you can see, showing it to forward option. Just press on. Click on this share icon and you just press on save to file. Okay, and just select location. Like I'm select download location, and if you want to create new folder, voice, right mark, just press on save. Okay, now save this. Now I'm checking. Open. Go to my download section, this folder, and easily check out this.
Hello.
So that's it.